gentlemen, may I have your attention please? The cabin crew now demonstrate the safety features aboard our Boeing 737-400 version aircraft. Please make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened. If there is a sudden change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will jump automatically. If this happens, quickly reach for the nearest mask and pull it firmly towards you, covering your nose and mouth with the mask, and breathe normally. Passengers traveling with children should put on their mask first and then assist the children. Your life vest is under your seat. If the life vest is required, put it over your head and tie through the longer end of the strap around your waist. Fasten buckles and pull the straps firmly. While with aircraft, you place the life vest by pulling down these red handles. If the vest is not inflated correctly, it will be filled up by blowing into the rubber tubes.